Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ad, Bing Ad certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit, setup, or management services, or Google Merchant Center restorations, or Google Ads suspension, or Bing Ad suspension, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Now, I am here with an amazing Google Merchant Center case study where I'm going to show you how me and my team was able to restore another Google Merchant Center account. So let's get started with me on this amazing case study. So this was the original data we got when we got from the client. You can see over here that the products need attention, and if you sorry, over here I'm going to show you, this was an initial one, this is an initial two of misrepresentation error is over here. And the 5 points agenda as usual is provide transparency about your business identity, business model, policies, or how your customers can interact with you. Promote your online reputation by showing reviews or highlighting any badges or seals of approval. Usually they are referring to a quality of website. Low quality websites are not being able to be not able to advertise, or advertise websites with the false or misleading claims cannot also advertise. The point number one, this is the point number three, says a professional design for your online store that includes an SSL certificate and all security compliance needs to be done. The point number four is about business information and merchant center. It needs to be clear, transparent, and the fifth is the follow SEO guidelines, improve your eligibility for seller ratings, and match your product data with your merchant center account to apply. So this was the initial suspension which we got. And whenever the case is, again, it's a teamwork, so I'm not going to take the whole of the credit with me. So it's a teamwork who did a lot of the work all. So I'm going to show you the audit as well. So you can see this was the first audit which we did. First of all, the thing was which we analyzed is because with the Google Merchant Center account suspension, there are so many things to check on: robots file, Google Search Console file, uh, issues on the website, issues on the Merchant Center account. We have a 160 plus checklist. So far we have made it 160 plus checklist. You can see over here that we suggested that these headlines should be clickable, and they should be respective pages for that website. And in the footer we suggested the refund page, do not sell my information disclaimer page was needed to be added. And on the contact us page, the website name was being wrongly added over here. You can see over here that the website name was originally not added, so it also causes misrepresentation. And there were no clickable contact options, no need of quick links, and these links were not either clickable. And there was the phone number was also not clickable. We wanted it to be clickable so that people can easily use it. And we also suggested to add the social media links, and the social media links should have the same business email as of the main website, plus the social media channels should have active engagement with their post and active followers. So you can see that it is a professional website to qualify with Google Merchant Center program. And when we tried doing everything, we also tried doing a sample checkout, and what we felt, what we did not get any email while we subscribed to the newsletter. So we figured out this could be another error as well. The shipping policy, the shipping cost was not being mentioned over there. We also suggested for all the pages should have unique description. We have so far observed the plagiarism is another big issue, and our team can help you in sorting out that issue as well. We have a specialist who can do the content work as well in our team, but I'm just pinpointing you the error over here. And the Google listing was not able to be found. And in the checkout, in the payment policy page, the payment method should also match on what you are claiming on the main website. So like the Union Pay was mentioned on the main page, but it was not being able to find in the checkout page, and this could also cause the misrepresentation. And there was no option for Apple Pay in the checkout, and that was also being mentioned on the main page. The plagiarism, you can see over here, the plagiarism was over there as well. The website speed also needs improvement. That was another error as well. So I'm going to show you the audits first, and then I'm going to show you the communication which we did was. This was another error, Google listing we emphasized. Also, this is not necessary, but this is a recommended factor to have a Google Map, Google Business Listing, Google Business Profile listing for your website. Then we figured that the email address is not clickable over here. This needs to be clickable as well. The repayment method was also needs to be clickable. The website name is also needs to be clickable. The refund policy, the phone number is again clickable. So you can see that how minor things are being noticed. Even the improper spacing or grammar errors are also the cause of misrepresentation or suspension in Google Merchant Center program. So you can see that how tough the Google merchant theme is. So you can see over here website name and company name. So this also was causing confusion, and you can see the plagiarism was still over there with one page having 56% plagiarism. And so what we did was we sorted out those errors as well. I'm going to show you this was not a single one day task, it's a teamwork. Then we found some placeholders on the tracking page. Placeholders are actually coding tracking issues and usually found in the plugin, theme, or any other issue page, and this is not acceptable at all by Google. So you need to remove the placeholders. I highly emphasize. We also try to improve the website quality by adding the facts, frequently asked questions, and the repayment of the improving the UI, like grammar, spacing, bullet points was also necessary. There were some dead links as well which needed to be removed, and the logo should match with the product page. So in case if you have different logos on product page, different logos on the footer, different logos on the checkout, you are going to get misrepresentation as well for your payment methods. The plagiarism you can still see over here. We were able to find different, or like the plagiarism was, we were keep on finding the page on the website, and then the plagiarism was keep on going. So we had to remove this all manually. And then there was another audit as well done, where we started adding the time zone in the footer and the address as well, and the the social media links was also being added over here, and the refund policy, they were double heading, so we had to remove one of them. That also confused. And when we said that in the frequently asked question, visit our exchange and return page, it was not clickable, so that we wanted to have this clickable as well. Some there were basic changes as well on the website, and the social media links were not actually in line, and they were pinpointing to the wrong website. And the Judge Me is another place app which has a lot of placeholder, and this is a review app. I know it particularly because most of the people install it. And then the time zone was also being mentioned for the country specific. Some basic changes as well. We will keep on suggesting on the basic changes which needed to be done. I'm just showing you the changes, small shipping policy changes, scope and purpose. And then it was, the website link was for the France, but we were having the co.co.uk disclaimer. So this was another small error, but this is also not acceptable because this is also the client website, but this is different from the other one. There were further dead links which needed to be removed. So this is a real domain, and this is the one which was being founded. So you can see that also the parent company is the same, but due to the country wise difference, this is also not acceptable at all. And some there were more changes. Double heading issues were over there. You can see over here that this is a double heading issue over here. So how much Google is concerned about this as well. And now I'm going to show you the communication which we did. You can see the Google Search Console errors were being fixed. They were initially being shown at the start. This is the communication being going on. They also suggested that the Google accounts is also suspended. That caused an issue as well. And this is another one as well. This is a communication going on with the Google team. And one of my staff member was discussing with the Google, and they pinpointed another broken link on the website. Just showing you examples. So you can see over here wider team discussions going on, and this is another over here as well. Upon checking, I confirmed that the account is suspended due to misrepresentation. The account has been handled before and it was under cooldown, so we actually had to face some cooldowns as well, and then there is a time when we were able to finally get it approved. You can see over here that the account is approved, the not approved is finished over here. And in case if I'm going to refresh it, you can see over here that the account has approved products over here, and it is no longer suspended. So I'm glad over here with another amazing case study for our client where we were able to get the account approved. Also it takes time. We also provide Google Merchant Center accounts as well in case if you need one. So I hope you like this amazing case study, and in case if you need our help, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description, and we look forward to working with you. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Take care and bye bye.